As this guy confidently skates on a frozen water, a sudden break plunges him into a chilling and dangerous situation. Amidst the landslide, the excavator is completely covered and destroyed, but thankfully, no one was inside. See what happens when a train runs on a snow-covered railway track. From the mountain, a massive boulder slides, crashing into the river, creating a huge impact and water wave. Car tossed like a toy by powerful winds, flipping multiple times in a wild spectacle. The car is forcefully propelled an incredible distance. With the massive flash flood approaching, people hurriedly flee in their cars. The boat collides with massive ocean waves repeatedly, enduring powerful crashes. These dedicated gamers remain undeterred by the floods caused by the typhoon outside, fully engrossed in their gaming session. The water dam gate opens, revealing the mighty force of water as it rushes through. A roof falls on parked cars, yet fortune smiles as no one is injured. Lucky escape. The video captures a scary river flood with water submerging the bridge and vehicles, leaving people terrified. In Japan, a scary mudslide strikes, demolishing houses and power lines, creating a scene of devastation. Terrifying and destructive sight. Intense hailstorm recorded with rapid and scary hail falling, showcasing its fierce power. As the players engage in their activity, they suddenly find themselves facing a scary dust devil. In India, an intense storm shatters the window of a building, causing havoc and concern. Witnessing the guy nearly swept away by the massive flood, brave people rush to save him. During a flood, monstrous winds wreak havoc, creating a tumultuous scene of destruction and chaos. The wave crashes against the walls, soaring as tall as a building. An awe-inspiring sight. In Japan, an earthquake devastates houses, with roofs collapsing and dust filling the air. Tragic scenes unfold. Terrifying flood in India captured on video, showing the destructive power of nature's fury. As these two guys step outside the lift, they are suddenly hit by a powerful stormy wind, struggling to stay on their feet and falling in all directions. Trapped inside their car during a massive hailstorm, they endure as the hail shatters their windows. A girl slips and falls while sliding in the snow with her boot. In Indonesia, one of the biggest tsunamis strikes, forcing people to seek safety by climbing trees. In Italy, the power of ocean's tidal wave is on display as it overflows walls with tremendous force. In Pakistan, a town witnesses one of the largest flash floods ever captured on camera, showcasing nature's fury. Amidst crazy strong winds, umbrellas on the beach take flight, swirling and tumbling in the air. A powerful gust of wind blows away the entire roof of the building in a stunning display. Capturing the shocking moment on camera. The hurricane shatters a window, but thankfully, no one was standing close to it at that moment. With huge bamboo sticks, people repeatedly strike and collapse a part of the cliff with remarkable force. In India, people record a rockfall flowing like a river, a mesmerizing and uncommon sight. A car narrowly avoids being hit by a falling rock from the mountain. Recorded in Portugal, immense waves pound cliffs towering 100 feet high, displaying the ocean's raw power. Tornado unleashes havoc, tearing through a parking lot with powerful force and swirling winds.
Holy mackerel, there goes that. Holy shit.
While sunbathing, they are taken by surprise as a tidal wave from the ocean approaches unexpectedly. In Antarctica, scientists confront extreme weather daily, where the ground is obscured by intense conditions. Walking becomes challenging as scientists navigate through harsh and unforgiving weather. A massive and destructive flood is mercilessly sweeping away cars, leaving a trail of devastation.
Dios, madre mía.
Road workers narrowly escape as a massive mountain crashes, causing a landslide and dam destruction. The whole tree disappeared, swallowed by the water, leaving a stunning sight of nature's power. A massive tidal wave strikes cars on the road. Yet one guy remains remarkably unfazed amidst the chaos. The entire road is inundated with water from the powerful ocean wave. A normal day turned chaotic as an earthquake hit violently, shaking the house. The man and his wife rushed outside, witnessing the immense force. Witness the sheer power of this violent shake. In southern India, heavy rains leads to a wildly massive waterfall, showcasing nature's power and beauty. A powerful lightning strike splits a tree near a house, a stunning yet dangerous natural display. During a storm in Germany, a massive wave shatters the windows of a ferry, drenching everyone on board but miraculously leaving them unharmed. Amidst the strong wind, a woman clings desperately to a pole for safety. A lightning strike obliterates the entire roof with a powerful and destructive force. Bike riders swarmed by bees during a tournament, adding a sting to the competition. Tragic footage captures the devastating Everest avalanche triggered by a powerful Nepal earthquake. Floodwaters invade homes, leaving people terrified and seeking safety amid the disaster. A massive flood is sweeping away bikes, leaving people terrified in its wake. During the landslide, a portion of the road slides, giving way to the powerful forces of nature. Intense wind recorded at petrol station in Thailand, showing the power of nature in action. Amid a rising river flood, a devastating scene unfolds as the entire building collapses into the water. The yacht gradually sinks beneath the ocean surface. Experience the intensity of a tornado up close in Ray, Colorado. Destructive boulder from the mountain shatters the bridge entirely. Dangerous lightning strikes the pool as the guy jumps in. Semi-truck topples due to extreme Alberta winds.
Oh my gosh.
Excited onlookers embrace the unexpected fountain as a massive ocean wave crashes through the road. Powerful lightning strikes power line, creating an electrifying display of nature's might. Massive waves break at the reef, crashing dramatically all the way to the shore. Massive waves strike ship in Southern Ocean, creating a powerful impact. During the photoshoot, she gets struck by a powerful ocean wave. In a wild fury, the tornado engulfs the car, tearing everything apart in its destructive path. A stunning display of nature's power as mega burst strong winds are captured in action. A heart-pounding escape as lucky people ran for their lives, narrowly avoiding the landslide's path. A raging river floods the area, sweeping away a car in its powerful current. Terrifying earthquake shakes as people were eating their meal, causing chaos and fear. Two healthy trees fall under the power of 120 miles per hour wind.
We lost 2 trees. Both. Our front yard is gone.
The ground floor of this house is devastated by the force of an earthquake. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.